Hi students, here we are going to learn about a quadratic equation, which is the chapter 4 in 10th standard. So we already explored about the quadratic equation in the chapter 2. We'll have a simple recall on it. So general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Another condition is a, b, c can be a real number. If it is in this form, we will call it as a quadratic equation. So today we are going to see whether the given equation or formed equation is quadratic equation or not. So first exercise is check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. So by simply seeing we cannot decide, we have to simplify to this form and you have to decide whether it is quadratic equation or not. So here is x plus 1 the whole square, it is a plus b the whole square formula, you have to substitute that. So a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will become a x square plus 2 into 1 into x is 2x plus b square 1 is what? 1 square is 1. So which is equal to, here also you have to multiply, it will become a 2x minus 3 2s are 6. So now bring to this side and simplify. So x square plus 2x plus 1, we will bring here, it will become minus 2x and minus 6 will become a plus 6 equal to 0. So plus 2x minus 2x is 0. So x square plus 1 plus 6 is 7 equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? Yes, right, it is an ax square plus b. So here the bx is missing, bx term is missing here, but it says b can be any real number. So here the 0, it's considered as a 0 here, but a only, it should not be not equal to 0, right? Do you understand? So it is just like an x square plus 0x plus 7 equal to 0. So you consider b as a 0. So it is a quadratic equation, right? Therefore it is a quadratic equation. So what about the next sum? So here also we cannot decide by seeing, we have to expand. So we'll multiply, it will become an x square plus x into 1 is x, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, minus 2 into plus 1 is minus 2, is equal to x into x is x square, x into plus 3 is plus 3x, minus 1 into x is minus x, minus 1 into plus 3 is minus 3. So just simplify x square plus x minus 2x minus 2, let's bring this, it will become a minus x square, it will become a minus 3x, it will become a plus x, it will become a plus 3 equal to 0. So x square minus x square will become 0 and x minus 2x, 1x minus 2x is a minus x, minus x minus 3 is a minus 1x minus 3 is a minus 4x, minus 4x plus x is a minus 3, right? Minus 3x and minus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 1, plus 1 equal to 0. Here the x square term is missing, right? So it clearly says ax square, the a should not be equal to 0. Surely there should be a is a non-zero. But here this term is like in a 0x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0, right? So it is not a quadratic equation. Therefore it is not a quadratic equation. Clear? Here we go for the next problem. The word problem converting into the quadratic form. So represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. So just we want to represent the situation into the quadratic equation, that's it. The area of the rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of plot in meter is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. Clear? So only one condition will be that, and it is the area of rectangle plot is 526. Previous chapter we have seen the linear pair of linear equation, two condition will be there to solve, but here only the one condition and one variable. So here the condition is given, the length of plot is 1 more than twice of its breadth. Clear? So if we consider the breadth as a x, the length will be the 1 more than the twice of the breadth, right? That means 1 plus twice 2 of the x. So you have to choose the variable wisely, whether it's for length or breadth. If you choose for length, then x is equal to 1 plus 2 times breadth. Also you have to choose one more variable, but quadratic equation have only one variable. So let me choose a breadth x, then we will get a quadratic equation. So let breadth of rectangle plot be x meter. It is given a meter. So by the condition, what is the given? Length of the plot. So length equal to, length is 1 more than 1 plus twice its breadth, 2 times the breadth. Breadth I consider already as a x, right? That's it. So breadth is considered as a x and the length is 1 more than twice the breadth. So 1 plus 2x. The condition is area of the rectangle is 528. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth, right? So area of rectangular plot is 528. So area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Length into 1 plus 2x into what is the breadth? Breadth is the x. L into b is equal to 528, right? L into b is equal to 528. Length is the 1 plus 2x. Breadth is the x is equal to 528. Clear? So now you just expand and you check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Clear? Then 1 into x is an x plus 2x into x is a 2x square is equal to 528. Now you rearrange, bring this side, it will become a, just rearrange, it will become 2x square plus x minus 528 equal to 0. Yes, it is in the general form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? Where a is not equal to 0, it is some number 2. So therefore it is a required quadratic equation. Therefore this is required quadratic equation. Clear? Here we go for the next problem. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find that integer. We need to find what is that positive integer. It's clearly say the positive integer and it says consecutive. Consecutive means continuous. If you consider this as a 2, the next is 3. Consecutive number is 3. 4, then 5. If you consider the 6, the consecutive is 7. So let me consider the number is x. Let consecutive positive integer be, if I consider first number as a x, the next number will be a x plus 1, right? So the question is the product of the consecutive is 360. Product means you have to multiply. So product of x and x plus 1 is 306. That means x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. So x into x is x square, x plus 1 is x is equal to 306. And if you bring this, it will become a x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So it is in the general form of quadratic equation, right? So therefore this is the required quadratic equation. So here we go for the next word problem. A train travels distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. So the speed is decreased and so the time has increased for the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So let us consider the speed of the train be x km per hour and the total time taken is 480 by x. It is the formula train time is equal to distance by the speed, right? The distance is 480 and the speed is considered as a x. And the condition is given, the speed is decreased when the speed is decreased by 8. So the speed of 480 is decreased by, the speed is decreased by 8 in the same distance, right? And it would have take, so this will be taken, this time will be taken 3 hours more. Clear? So when the speed is 8 km less, here the speed is x, right? If the speed is 8 km less, so 8 km less, it would have 3 hours more to cover the same distance. 3 hours will be more for the same. Clear? So I'll write here 480 by x minus 8 is equal to 480 by x plus 3. So you can see here, right? So speed is decreased by 8, so this time is increased by 3 hours. Clear? That's it. Now we solve this equation and find it with the quadratic equation, form a quadratic equation. So let me bring it will become a subtraction. 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x is equal to 3. So just doing a cross multiply x into 480, x into x minus 8 into minus 480. So x into 480 is a 480x minus of here the 480 into x minus 8 is equal divided by x minus 8 into x is equal to 3. So let us simplify. It will become a 480x multiply, it will become a minus 480x, minus into minus is plus, and 480 into 8 is 48 into 8 is 384. 384 and the 0 is equal to 3 into, let me bring this side, it will become a 3 into x minus 8. Clear? The 480 minus 480 is 0, so it is a 3840 is equal to, here let me multiple here, it will become a 3x into x is 3x square minus 8 3s are 24x. Clear? Then you bring it to this side, it will become a 0 is equal to 3x square minus 24x minus 3840. It is an a square minus ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? Is it a quadratic equation? Yes, just use swapping, you can get a quadratic equation, right? 3x square minus 24x minus 3840 is equal to 0. Clear? So therefore, this is required quadratic equation. Clear? I think we can simplify by the 3. If we can divide and also we can represent, but anyhow we are not going to find a solution here, just we are representing a situation. So let me stop here. Thank you.